Here the question is, when dilute ferrous sulfate solution is added to an aqueous solution containing nitrate ion followed by careful addition of concentrated sulfuric acid along the side of the test tube, a brown ring is produced at the interface between the solution and sulfuric acid layers. We need to find out the anion which is confirmed by the appearance of brown ring, and we need to predict the composition of the brown ring as well. The ion which is confirmed by this brown ring test is nitrate ion, that is NO3 minus ion. And the brown ring produced is a coordination compound containing iron, and the formula is FeH2O5 times NO2 plus charge. Now let's come to the OR question. We need to provide the equations for the preparation of chlorine from HCl and HCl from chlorine as well. For preparing chlorine from HCl, we need to do the oxidation of hydrochloric acid in presence of copper chloride. They will produce chlorine gas along with water molecules. In order to prepare hydrochloric acid from chlorine, we can react hydrogen and chlorine together, so they will produce 2 moles of hydrochloric acid. These are the equations involving here. For each equations you will get 1 mark.